This is my German Shepherd canine partner, Axel.
This is my canine partner, Dano.
This is my partner, Canine Dax.
Canine Duke.
This is my partner, Canine Loki.
My canine partner, Tara.
This is Canine Zeus.
This is my canine partner. His name is Draco.
My dog's name is Odin.
Duo dog Simba.
This is duo dog Hitch.
Canine Duke is a German Shepherd dog from the Czech Republic.
2-year-old German Shepherd. He's from Germany. He was brought over to the United States when he was about 12 months old. From there, he received his basic training from Tops Kennels in Grayslake, Illinois.
He's a 3-year-old German Shepherd. He's from Israel.
He's from the Czech Republic.
He is a German Shepherd, and he was brought here from the Czech Republic.
He's from a breeder in Illinois, and we actually just finished up basic training at Tops Kennels in Grayslake.
He was formally trained at Duo Dogs in St. Louis, Missouri, where they both bred and trained him.
Specializes in handler protection and apprehension and narcotics detection.
An electronic detections dog.
He specializes in the 19th Judicial Circuit Specialty Court programs, which are drug court, mental health court, and the Veterans Treatment Assistant Courts.
So he's trained in human scent tracking. He's trained in narcotics detection, so cocaine, methamphetamine, heroin, and marijuana. He's also trained in article searches, so if you were to drop a cell phone or anything in a field or a firearm that we're looking for somebody, you'd be able to find it just based off the human scent.
Formally trained as a facility dog and a service dog, and that's what he primarily does for us, his work as a facility dog in our Guardian Ad Litem division.
He's certified through the Illinois State Training and Standards Board and also through the North American Police Work Dog Association, both in narcotics and as a utility patrol dog.
He was trained in apprehension and detection, which includes narcotics, tracking, area searches, and building searches.
So a typical day at work is, Dano lives with me at home, so we'll get ready as a normal day. As soon as he sees the uniform start going on, he knows it's a work day, so he'll be waiting at the front door for me to start getting ready. Once we hit the street, he's pretty much all business. At home, he's just like any other dog, likes to lounge around the house, get in a little bit of trouble here and there. But at work, he's all business, wants to work, he's always looking to do something. So we'll go through a couple different training things per day.
Usually waking up with her pushing me off the bed. She takes up all of my bed. I'll get up, take her outside. Once we get ready for work, she goes home with me every day. Bring her to work here. She's usually very excited. The first thing she does is run into the boss's office. That's her best friend here. She'll run into his office, play with him for a while. I'll set up a room or somewhere around the sheriff's office to do her training. We do training 2 times a day, once in the morning and once at night.
Canine deputy assigned to the Highway Patrol Division, first and foremost, a calls for service. So we still answer those calls. We are involved in traffic enforcement, traffic investigations when it involves a crash. Assisting other agencies. As a canine handler, not only do we assist the other deputies that require a canine or searching for individuals, which is what we specialize in.
We'll get up in the morning, I'll feed him, get him ready for work, obviously get myself ready for work, report to whatever area that I'm assigned to for that day. And then from there we answer calls for service, and any call that Zeus can assist us with, we'll deploy him at that point.
When we wake up, we try to go for a walk. It's really hard to burn his energy, but we try our best. He loves long walks, and I also have another German Shepherd that loves walks, so it works for all of us. Keeps me active, keeps him active. Most days we're either in training or at work.
So when Hitch is in court, he works with people who have maybe gone through some very traumatic things in their lives, and he is really great at sensing when people need comfort and are needing, some extra love in the courtroom. Especially because it can be really difficult for people to talk about what they've been through, and he really can sense when someone is needing some extra love and some extra support.